Hello Pisceans, I'm Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I am the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and I'm here to help you with the month of November. Let me see, what will you be doing in this month of November? Any message from the tarot? I hope you all are watching my videos and enjoying them, and they're really helping you. That's all I want. Any kind of help from my side. Okay, I'm open for an personal consultation as well. You could contact my healing center for that. Share this video with everyone that you know. Lovely. Alright, so what's happening with the Pisces? A big change is coming for you. A big change. Change of life, change of career, maybe change of lifestyle. A very big episode will happen in the month of November where your life will change. And I don't mean in the downside, it will change in the good side. Again, I always say that perceptions matter. Alright. I had a pattern where I used to fear success. So a big change in success also would bring me down. But that was my perception. But when I realized that I had this program, I cleared it with a healing modality known as Triya, which is my own downloaded modality. And now I don't fear that. People have fear of failure, that's a very normal thing, but sometimes you fear big things in life. Oh, will I be able to handle that? But that's the only thing which you should not be doing. Okay. Money, income, very nice, but outgoing also that much. So whatever will come will go, whatever will come will go. It's okay. Money should always be in the flow. Whatever you want to buy with money, that comes into your life. Your money, the character of money is fine. Money has done its work. So it's okay. Here also it says that you have to balance between your yin and yang, the black and the white. Yin yang is this three Purush energy, male, female energy, which needs to be in balance, because obviously when you go through a transition or a very big change in life, your energy gets into an imbalance. I understand that. This might again happen this time. So, fair, but download a yin yang symbol from the internet, laminate it, put it under your pillow. Or you can talk to us, we can align your chakras. We can definitely give you some divine codes. I generally write my yin yang divine codes on my bottle. You could definitely contact us for that, right? So, yeah. You could also use white and black crystals for that matter. Or same, I am in sync with my masculine and feminine energy. Many things you can do, okay? You have to work on that. Career is fine for, especially for people who have a job, who are on payroll, okay, who get a monthly basis money. November is good for them, where especially who are Pisces. It's very good for them, and they'll get help from some elderly fellow male energy. From masculine energy, they'll get a lot of help. So fair enough, good. So see here, your masculine energy also starts getting balanced. Okay. Now what happens with relations? Again, I told you about perceptions, You will perceive people wrong. Okay. I think similar reading was there in the last video also. Perception matters. Because even when actually there are ill intentions of people, but your perception is good towards yourself, finally that will repel back. This is how energies work. What goes around comes around, and whatever you repel will be repelled back by the mirror. And people around in your life are mirrors. So you should not feel very insecure about other people. You should be very secure in your own energy. You should be knowing your own capabilities. Here you will start feeling someone else, what if someone else takes away my credit? What if someone else sit on my head? What if he thinks that about me? What if she thinks that about me? You should stop doing that. Alright, perceptions. So your lesson in the month of November is perceptions. Great. Warning is also perceptions, because even if everything is fine in your life, you will feel that no, nothing is fine. And you will keep cribbing. You will feel like I am the victim. That should not happen. That should not happen. And again, the turning point is when you start thinking by your head. When you start thinking by your head, then you become the devil. So don't think too much. Don't be insecure. Everything is fine actually. And you have to affirm that to yourself that all is well, everything is fine. And I'm telling you, if you take care of your yin yang energy by whatever means you know, or else you can contact us. We'll definitely prescribe you whatever is to be prescribed for yin yang energy, and we'll balance your energies as well. For now, just say that my male and female energies are balanced or they are in sync. Or you can do the chakra meditation on my YouTube channel. So I hope I was of some help, and happy month November. Take care. See you. Bye bye.